So the next step that we took was to develop the component ecosystem.
Under the electronic component manufacturing scheme worth over 7,200 crores.
India's electronics manufacturing story gets another boost. The government has cleared 17 proposals worth over 7,100 crore rupees in the sector.
Hello ladies and gentlemen. Technology is no longer just about softwares and services. The next big wave is hardware manufacturing. And India just turned the throttle on full. On 17th November 2025, the Electronics Component Manufacturing Scheme received fresh approval from the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, MeitY, for 70 new projects worth of 7,122 crore. And while the numbers might appear modest and softer budgets, these projects are components and sub-assembly heavy, multi-layer PCBs, optical transceivers, camera modules, item that matters for your IT stack. So, why should a CEO or a CTO cares about it? Because hardware manufacturing charges cost, supply chain, vendor dynamics, localization demands, and your IT strategy is about to feel it. Let's go deeper. The ECMS second tranche covers 9 states and union territories, including Goa, Jammu and Kashmir, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka there is 5 units, and Tamil Nadu there is 3 units. The approved companies, including big names, Jabil Circuit India, Aequs Consumer Products, Zetfab India, Minda, meaning the global supply chain players are entering Indian component ecosystem. The government strategic language is clear. Minister Ashwini Vaishnav said, the focus is domestic design capability, Six Sigma quality, and moving up the value chain. Now the link to enterprise IT. When component manufacturing expands, cost structure shifts, hardware procurement, embedded systems, IoT sensors, and enterprise edge devices all may see the inflations because of the localization supply chains, means higher labor cost and the compliance layer. And for IT service firms, there is also upsides. Firms that pivot the localization, embedded softwares and services around the manufacturing wave will win. A recent market note estimates India's electronic manufacturing ecosystems could reach the 1.5 lakh crore by the financial year of 2028 if the movement continues. For your IT strategy, the hotspots are vendor contracts, hardware suppliers, cloud and edge architectures, because more manufacturing is equal to more local compute and data, and talent, embedded softwares, hardware software integrations. So, what your board should prioritize now? Build a hardware impact scan, identify all hardware linked components, and realign cost assumptions. Reevaluate vendor contracts. Ensure hardware commitments include Indian manufacturing components and are flexible. Upskill your team, embedded localization capabilities, real-time supply chain monetization, and embedded software systems. Because if you treat this wave like a footnote, you risk becoming the legacy stack that pays for someone else's localization advantage. But if you act now, you can convert this manufacturing surge into the competitive mode. Ladies and gentlemen, the 72,000 crore electronic push is not just about turning up factories. It's about how the enterprise's IT strategy and supply chain procurements, cloud architecture and operations must pivot now. If you would like a one-page electronic push impact scorecard for your board, comment manufacturing score below and I'll pin it for you. Subscribe. Next week we will deep dive how major IT vendors are reacting to this hardware wave. See you soon, because your IT strategy just made a hardware boom.